We live in a world that always asks, why? Why did this happen? Why do good people break? Why do hearts become heavy? Why do some prayers seem unanswered? And honestly, those are fair questions. Because we're human and we long to understand. We want answers. We want proof. We want explanations. We want something we can hold on to and say, now, this makes sense. We want to know that the pain has a purpose, that the waiting isn't wasted, and that one day everything will fit together. But life does not always work that way. Because sometimes the greatest things God does in us cannot be explained with logic alone. Logic did not save me. Explanations did not heal my wounds. Arguments did not calm my fears. And theories could not pull me out of the dark places I once lived in. Because some of God's greatest work isn't something you simply understand. It's something you experience. You can study transformation, you can debate miracles, you can spend years trying to explain grace, but sooner or later, you'll meet someone whose life has changed so deeply that explanation is no longer enough. Because some things become undeniable when they are standing right in front of you. If you came today looking for a science lesson, you may be in the wrong place. But if you came searching for living hope, then do not look at a textbook. Don't just listen to an argument. Look around you. The evidence is everywhere. Look at the father who once filled his home with anger, but now gathers his children to pray before bed. Look at the mother who silently cried herself to sleep for years, but now sings again. Look at the young person who almost gave up on life, but somehow found strength to keep going. Look at the marriages that survived storms. Look at the hearts that learned to forgive. Look at the people who should have been broken forever, but are still standing. That is the evidence. Not perfect people, changed people. And maybe that is the part we struggle with the most. Because we want God to explain everything, while He's inviting us to see what He's already done. We ask, why? God says, look. We ask for explanations. God gives transformation. We ask for proof. God points to redeemed lives. Don't get me wrong. I cannot fully explain how a soul becomes new. I can't explain how peace finds someone in the middle of chaos. Neither can I explain how a heart that has every reason to become bitter chooses forgiveness instead. I can't explain either how grace reaches someone who feels too far gone. But I know this. Broken people do not become whole by accident. We have evidence. Scars that no longer define us, chains that no longer hold us, tears that became testimonies, and joy that does not make human sense. I can't explain exactly how the wind blows, but I can show you the trees moving. And maybe that's faith. Not having every answer, but recognizing the evidence. So today, stop waiting for every question to be answered before you believe again. Look at the lives that were restored. Look at the peace that replaced the battle. Look at the light returning to people who once lived in darkness. Again, I say, don't ask me for the proof. Just look at the change. Go ask the people whose lives have been changed.
Explain to you how one could start again, or how hardened hearts could suffer like a child. Don't ask me how to reason out the mysteries of life, or how to face its problems with a smile. Go ask the man who started the way to find the ruins that couldn't sustain when all communications were destroyed. Go ask the child who's working now, who once was able dance so high, like it's just dance when made it job for you. Go ask the one who's burnt down man has been destroyed. I think you'll find the questions not important as before. Don't ask me if it's good or bad, I only know the guilt I had is gone, and I can't tell you anymore. Don't ask me how to prove to you why I know God is there, or how I know that He will care for you. Don't ask me why someone so great would choose to walk with me and trade my broken life for one that's new. Go ask the child who's got a guide to love the way the body had. Before this man called Jesus touched Caroline. Go ask the ones whose face of flare was shining high, was white as hell, when someone is that peace to all our side. Go ask the man to tell you more. His life was just a raging war inside himself until the state from him. Oh, I don't pretend to be so wise. I only know He touched my eyes and nothing else will ever be the same. Oh, I don't pretend to be so wise. I only know He touched my eyes and nothing else will ever be the same.